welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been absent. I have been, or not me on my own, but my other half has been just moving my nail stuff for me. So that's why I've been away for a few days. Anyway, we've got a parcel. I know who it's from, but I haven't opened it yet. So I thought I'd open it on camera. Rubbish there. It looks like a list of everything what is in the parcel. Yeah. Okay. So it is from KIKI London. Let's have a look at what we've got here. Looks like their information there, so I will show you that for a second. So they are on all social medias, so go take a look. And it is cruelty free and vegan. That is even better. And I'm going to leave that scan thing there for you, so if you want to scan it you can, and it'll take you there. I have got a discount code which I'll put up top for you. So it's got a gel polish user guide on the back of that one. So they look like they are a 30-second cure in an LED lamp or 1 minute in a UV, which is good. Oh, and it says on the bottom there, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and use the hashtag, and then KIKI London can pick it up, whatever set you put up, to be featured on their page. And we've also got an easy build, because I think I have one of those in here. Yeah, easy build builder gel. So I've got that one by the looks of it, Sweet Rose. Let's just have a look here as well. 60-second cure or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. So yeah, 60 seconds in an LED lamp, 2 minutes in a UV. So, okay. Cool. That's good that you get little, what do you call them? Where's my scissors gone? Oh, can't find my scissors for a minute. Come on, open up. Doesn't help because I've just stuck it back down. Would you, Adam and Eve it? Yay! Okay, so we have got a base coat, 7.3 mil. Well, that's a nice consistency. That's a fairly thin consistency, which I love. I hate thick loopy things. Drives me mad, thick stuff does. Let's have a little whiff. That smells quite sweet. That's quite nice, so it doesn't stink. This is the no wipe top coat. Same size bottle. So that's a little bit thicker, but I'd say that's a medium consistency. That's not bad. You want a nice top coat, definitely. And we have got, is this one? This one could be Pink Me Up. Let me have a look which ones I've got in here. So that's the rubber base. Right, let me mark off the ones that I'm doing. So I'm going to show you this one first. Okay, so great bottle. They're similar to the Madame Glam bottles actually. KIKI London UV LED Soak Off Platinum. So this is a 15 ml. And it is Lavender Haze, and the number's PL04. Oh, look at it on top. This is going to be nice, isn't it? I'm sorry my thing's so dark. I think it's because I've got dark gloves on again. Wow. Let me undo my camera for a second. That is gorgeous. That is those, you know, the tiny little flakes of glitter. That's going to be beautiful to swatch. I'm looking forward to that. Let me get my little piece of paper and I will mark off. So that's done. That base and top is a 2-pack apparently. So I've done Lavender Haze as well. So next one is Pink Me Up, which is that one. Okay, so we've got another bottle the same, which is 15ml. Okay, and it's called Pink Me Up, which is PK14. So it has got all directions, portions, storage and ingredients on the back. And obviously it's cruelty free and vegan. Looks like a nice pink. Sorry, my camera's going bonkers. It's getting worse and worse. That's pretty pink, isn't it? That's a proper pink. That's really nice. Nice consistency as well. Very nice. Put the top back on that. Okay, so we have got the Easy Build Up, which is obviously builder in a bottle. This one is Sweet Rose. It's 15ml. It's got all your stuff on the back again. Oh, that's a nice consistency. That's not too bad at all, is it? It's pretty. Nice. We will do swatches of these anyway. We will. So that's that one. What did I say that one was? Sweet Rose. So that's that one. So we have got a rubber base as well in the colour 06. So obviously it's from the rubber base collection. New and improved formula, it says on here. 15ml again. Looks like a nice pink. Well, that's a nice consistency. Oh wow. And that's a hell of a nice pink. I do like that. I'm gonna love that one. Okay, so what we should have left then is 2 colours, which is Peach Side and Popping Pink, which is what I thought it was in the first place. So this one is Popping Pink. This one is PK01. So obviously, oh no, there you go, it's on the back. Let's have a looky. Oh, that's a nice pink. I love that consistency. Love it. That's nice, isn't it? It's gorgeous. And then this one is Peach Side OR08. That's another 7.3ml bottle. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Pretty colour. So I'll get some swatches out and we'll give them a swatch. I will put some music over and obviously I'll speed it up a little bit while I'm swatching. Obviously I won't swatch the base and top, but the base and top will go underneath and on top. I might do the base coat actually off camera to speed it up a bit, and I'll just do the top coat on camera. So I will put on the screen which polish or builder in the bottle it is. Okay.
Figure be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you feel as hell. I get ahead of myself. I keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you feel as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. Crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out.
Okay. I did do an extra coat on the platinum gel, but it was okay with one coat, but I like to put 2 coats on, so I did put 2 coats on. And I did 2 coats on this pink, which is this one, and the peach coloured. I did 2 coats, and the rest is just 1 coat. I did the build out on the opposite side, so I could fill the space up, so you can get to know what opacity it's got, which is really good actually. That's just sort of like one. You saw I put a slip layer in and then add extra on top of it, and it's come out really nice. They're really nice gel polishes. I love this one, and I love the rubber base, and I do like the colour of the easy build up. I think I'd have them in that order, and then the other 3 backing them up, but that's my favourites out that collection. I just want to say thank you to KIKI London, to Vin and Amanda, who I have been chatting to on email. They're really nice. We're going to use these next week. We're going to do a set, and then obviously I'll carry on using them, and I will obviously tag them each time they're used, so you know where the product has come from and a link for it. If you want to buy anything from KIKI London, as I said before, my code will be on the screen as usual. I will leave links down below. I'll leave a link to their website and with my discount code there, so do please help yourself. And yeah, we're gonna get cracking and use these. Right, I'm going to leave you in peace, guys. Thank you so much for watching, if you've persevered through to the end. If you did like my video, please leave me a thumbs up. It's really important, and I would appreciate that. Thank you. And if you'd like to subscribe, please do. Happy to subscribe back to you. And I will see you next time. Bye.